In this video, I am going to show you how to add a payment card to TEMU account. 1. Begin your shopping as usual, and when you're ready, head to the checkout page. This is typically where you review your items, apply any discount codes, and confirm your purchase details. On the checkout page, look for the section labeled Payment Method. This is where you'll see the options for payment, including credit, debit cards, PayPal, or other available services. Within the Payment Methods section, find and click on the option that says Add a new card. Click on it. A form should appear prompting you to enter your new card's details. This typically includes the cardholder's name, card number, expiration date, and the CVV code. Some sites might also ask you to confirm or enter the billing address associated with the card. Ensure that the information matches that your bank has on the file to avoid any issues with payment authorizations. After entering the necessary details, click Save to add the card to your account. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips like this.